Turn signal works. But the rear just kind of flickers. Doesn't really flash. That one just flashes. And that one actually fires. The rears both just flicker. So just for shits and giggles, I'll pick up some of these. 50-watt resistors. So it's just a ballast resistor to put in when you have LED lights. Even though that relay right there is supposed to be LED rated, it's still not. But if I take this, that's already, yeah, ignore the rat's nest, guys, come on. This is how it came, and I'm just kind of plugging it together. So it's there on the ground. If I take this and touch it here, the rears start working. So I'm going to put a crimp on there, and we're going to make it work. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. Alright, give me a sec. Hey, I did it. Oh, there's the front. There's the back, working like it should. But, let's friggin' watch this. I don't know if you can hear it. That relay is fine. Yeah, that relay's still clicking along. Even though it's not doing anything. It's because I have a load on there. Shit. Damn. I was hoping this would do it. But wow, that gets hot. Put you over there. Yikes. So now if I unplug it, it'll go back to the way it was. Well, this sucks. I don't know why, but putting a resistor up by the relay does nothing. But putting them back here by the lights works. I already did that side. That's the other thing. Doing it over there doesn't do anything for this side. So I've gotta just put one on each side. This shouldn't be a problem as far as heat, just because it's not on for long periods of time. Unless I put the hazards on and leave the car, but I think the battery would die before it does any damage. So I already used this. Yeah, I don't like using these damn things, but we'll do it for now. Obviously this wiring is pretty crunchy. So the whole car really needs to be rewired someday. But in the meantime, let's get this one onto that. I think it's the red wire. I have to test. We'll get one on the red wire and see what happens. I'm thinking red. Maybe it's blue. I hate trying to do this stuff one-handed. There we go, that's better. There it is. So jello. So when it's plugged in, it flashes. When I take it out, it just flickers. You know, honestly, I could probably just stick a light bulb in there. I mean, this thing isn't a super heavy duty light bulb. Certainly not this heavy duty. Let's see if we can get it to see. It says 50 watts, 6 ohms. Alright, so let's go plug it in. Oh yeah. Alright, moment of truth. And no, I don't have that working yet. Okay, and right turn signal. And last but not least, hazards. Perfect. Yeah. What rat's nest? I don't see no rat's nest.